Hey you guys, it's your hometown hottie, Aqui, representing at 400 degrees. And today we're gonna demonstrate how to make Nashville authentic hot chicken. I know I'm gonna show you all the secrets. All you need is this. And many of you guys have already purchased this, and I thank you for purchasing our hot chicken seasoning. So today I'm gonna let you in. I'm gonna let you in my kitchen. Can you believe that? Believe it. Okay, so you got your seasoning. We have our chicken. We're gonna do boneless and we're gonna do bone in. I prefer bone in because it has the flavor. We have your flour, and it should taste just like 400 degrees. So if you've had 400 degrees before and you've eaten at my establishment and my restaurant, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So let's get started. First, we're gonna mix up your flour. Easy, easy, easy. And then from there, we're just gonna batter our chicken, and then we're gonna drop it into the fryer. Easy. There we go. So voila. So it's very important to make sure your oil is at the right temperature. This is about at 325, and we will allow the chicken to cook until it floats. The chicken is floating. You remember I told you once the chicken floats is done, because a lot of people say, Aqui, help me, help me. I don't know when my chicken is done. So here we go. We're gonna start off with the 100 degrees. As you can see, I just put a little powder in here. The 100 is mild, and it just takes a little. And I'm gonna add the hot oil to the seasoning. Don't allow anything to cool down. Don't allow your food to cool down. Don't allow the oil to cool down. You wanna do everything hot. Gonna do the big spoon today. So I'm just gonna demonstrate how to do it. So here we go. We're gonna scoop some oil out, place it here. We're gonna do 2 spoons of that. And we're gonna mix it. Look, gently mix it. So that's how you make the 100 degrees. You want it runny. You want it with a slight color. You don't want it extremely dark. So this is the consistency of your 100 degrees. And that's how we do it at 400 degrees. So look at that. What I'm simply gonna do is brush it on. It's a light color, real easy, simple. 100 degrees, this is your mild. Put it on that bread, sit that thing up. Perfect. Look how easy and simple this is to make in the comfort of your home. All you need is the amazing seasoning, and you can make the mild, the medium, or hot. This is available online. It's only $30, and we ship anywhere. So let's go ahead and elevate the heat. We're gonna add more seasoning to it, and we're just gonna make it thicker. Oil, same amount of oil, and just kind of mix it around until it forms a paste. Easy peasy, look at that. So now we have a 200 degrees. We kept our oil. We didn't have to add any more oil. We didn't have to take anything away. We just simply added more seasoning. Put this in here, and then we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna brush it on. It's a lot darker, it's a lot thicker. The thicker it is, the hotter it is. So this is your 1, this is your 2, and let's go ahead and set it off with the 400, you guys. I hope you guys are keeping it 400 degrees out there. That means that you're keeping it authentic, you're keeping it true, you're keeping it 1,000, baby, if you keep it 400. Here we go. So what we're gonna do is add more seasoning to it. There you go, just for you. Got the leg quarter, baby. That's the bone in. It's your drumstick, actually. We sell leg quarters at the restaurant. So if you prefer a breast quarter, we have them at the restaurant for you. We even have a spicy shrimp, and we do spicy whiting fish, which is so freaking good. That's your 4. And what I'm gonna do is add habanero powder to it, and it just really elevates the heat. So we're simply gonna shake some of that on, and that's your 400 degrees. Easy, easy, easy. I hope today has been fairly easy. I hope you're able to make this just like I made it. I can't do a video without actually eating hot chicken, so I'm gonna eat it. And of course you have to have traditional white bread. So I'm gonna take a piece of bread. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. Gotta have the oil. I'm gonna put the 100 on there with extra pickles. So you have the crunch. It's so crunchy. It's so tender, so juicy. And it's spicy. I can taste the salt. I can taste the onion powder. I can taste the garlic. So you need a combination. You just need to have an explosion in your mouth. And that's what I have right now. Thank you guys. I hope this video was very helpful. Leave me comments. Follow us on social media. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. It's your hometown hottie. It's your favorite hot chicken gal representing. Thank you so much.